Is your iPhone battery dying before the end of the day? In this video, I'll show you 4 practical steps to make it last much longer without buying a new phone. Step 1. Check your battery health. Below 80%, it's time to understand what's going on. Go to Settings, then Battery, Health and Charging. Step 2. Turn off Background App Refresh. Apps keep running even when you're not using them. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off. Step 3. Lower brightness and enable auto brightness. The screen is the biggest battery drain on your iPhone. Lower brightness from Control Center. Then go to Settings, Accessibility, Display, and turn on auto brightness. Step 4. Enable low power mode. One tap and you gain hours of extra battery life. Go to Settings, then a Battery, and turn on low power mode. Did your battery last longer? Let me know in the comments how many extra hours you got. Subscribe to TATO'S for more iPhone tips.